This segment is sponsored by Limitless Growth Strategies.
Hey, welcome back, everybody. Back with us today, the man, the snazzy dresser himself, Perry Jeffries III. He is with us. He happens to be much more than that. He's a financial advisor, and you can see him here every Friday. He shares some tips, some tricks, and helps you maneuver through your finances. So welcome to you.
Thank you.
And the lovely lady next to him is someone we want you to introduce us to.
Oh, with pleasure.
Okay.
This is my good friend and client and co-coach, Orelle Jackson, with Limitless Growth Strategies. And just happy to have her here with us today.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
Explain what you do.
So I'm an executive coach, so I do one-on-one coaching and work with corporations, helping to build teams, and then also I have a series of resources that I can use, like the DISC assessment and the leadership game and other options to really help people to grow and to realize their potential.
What kind of a client comes to you? What are they looking for?
So mostly they're really looking to level up. So, you know, I have clients who are in the beginning of their career, and I have clients who are further along in their career, but they're all looking to grow. They want to get to that next level, and they're finding like maybe they're a little stuck, or they just need a little bit of a little help to just see what they're capable of, and then having somebody hold them accountable for that.
And the assessment test helps in that?
Right, yeah, so the assessment is a DISC assessment, and it really helps to build the self-awareness that you need around your communication and behavioral preferences. So when you understand yourself, you can decide how best to grow. And when you can understand yourself, you have the ability to see those same patterns in others and then improve your communications with your team, your spouse, whoever is in your life.
And Perry, that's been your experience?
Yeah, absolutely. So Orelle and I both went through the John Maxwell certification together, and we both are just really big on personal growth and development, and understanding that all things rise and fall with leadership. So whether we're talking about finances, entrepreneurship, your organization, your family, everything is going to rise and fall on leadership. So that's why I love to partner with Orelle on these type of topics, because we're both very passionate about just seeing people win.
Interesting. Orelle, what do you think is the common problem? Is it that people are moving at such speed that you don't take the time to hold the mirror in front of your face to understand who you really are?
I think so, and I think all of us, we don't really always want to confront ourselves, right? So we want to think who we are, but we don't really want to know who we are. And that willingness to be curious about yourself, curious about the world, to intentionally learn and grow. You know, as you say, we move at a very fast pace. So helping my clients to sort of take a moment to assess where they are and decide where they want to go, and then come up with a really specific plan that they can be intentional around.
And I know that, Perry, you've taken in all of this, and you are implementing the same kind of tools you've learned from Orelle through your practice.
Absolutely, absolutely, yes. Because ultimately, your relationships and your personality is going to be a huge indicator on how you move within your finances and your business.
Very good stuff. Now, Perry talks about Orelle with limited growth strategies, of course, and this is also a way for you to be able to maximize what you're learning right here, is to reach out to the two of them. Perry will be here every Friday, of course, but you can also reach out to perryjeffries.com, and then Orelle at Limitless, that is, limitlessgrowthstrategies.com.
Yes.
And then together, we'll all be financially fit every Friday right here. So thank you both. Appreciate it very much.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.